Water-resistant, little children's lightweight durable backpack for sports outdoors. AQUA ADVENTURES, essential kids bags for beach, pool, school, sports PE kit. Toddler friendly, roll-top dry bag with patented breakaway safety buckle, 7.5 LTR volume. Great features: tail fin pocket, Trunki storage grip, ID label, padded back shoulder straps. Cute range, fish and aquatic character swimming bags, perfect for small boys and girls. Spike. The Pufferfish PaddlePak is an adorable fish-like backpack, which includes all of the much-loved Trunki characteristics and appeal that families associate with the brand. Whether it's weekly swimming lessons for your little tadpoles, going away on holiday or a day out exploring, PaddlePak is an essential bag for little ones. Complete with neoprene fins, tail pocket for locker change, and the unique Trunki grip for goggles or sunglasses. With a promise of no damp patches taking wet kit home, and no soggy sandwiches, PaddlePak is waterproof from the inside and on the outside, so it's ideal as a nursery bag for wet clothes, or preschool backpack for gym or PE kit. Lightweight and durable with a roll-top close that creates a wide opening for easy packing, with 3 twists creates a dry seal preventing wet contents leaking through and clips together with our patent-pending breakaway safety buckle. PaddlePak, the perfect partner for little travelers. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. This backpack, which is well-made BTW, is absolutely adorable. At first it seemed small, as did another backpack Trunki we got, Nemo, but I was proven wrong. I started to stuff these 2 backpacks with items and I became more impressed as these adorable backpacks filled out, holding nicely what I had placed in them. Actually, I tried them on my own 51 back and it fit me, was comfy, and heck, I think a fun-loving adult could wear there no problem. In fact, our Dill will sometimes wear it and our adventuring adult son asked for one for the fun of it. So imagine the glee of a little child getting these backpacks. They are well made, hold enough for that age group to handle. I cannot rave enough. I love when I find things for my grandkids that make me smile, them jump for joy.